Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 sounds like something stuck inside, this could be due to a blockage or a failing motor. Ignoring this issue might lead to reduced suction power or even permanent damage to the motor, ultimately resulting in a costly repair or replacement. It's essential to address this symptom sooner rather than later. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement motor. Start by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged for safety. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the main body of the vacuum cleaner. Carefully lift the casing to expose the internal components. Once open, locate the motor, which is typically situated towards the rear of the device. If you hear unusual sounds, that's a clear indication it's the motor that needs attention. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the motor, making sure to remember their positions for reassembly. You may need to apply a bit of force to remove the screws holding the motor in place, but be cautious not to strip them. Once free, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. If you notice debris or blockages around the motor, clear these out with the tweezers to prevent future issues. Now, take your new motor and place it into the same housing, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reconnect the cables, paying close attention to how they were originally connected to avoid any mix-ups. Before closing the casing, it's a good idea to test the vacuum briefly to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed the motor works properly, carefully reattach the casing by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling sounds during operation. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check for blockages in the hose and filter. Make sure to clean your Dyson SV14 according to the manufacturer's recommendations, as this will help maintain its efficiency and prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.